guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with my March Kill a Kit with Style kit share. And so you will notice that I have put together a pretty large kit this month. There's a couple reasons for that. So one is the Secret Not Secret Kit Club is hosting a retreat in Ohio. So I am going there for 5 days, and so I'm going to have a little bit more time, and to help with my packing situation, since I'm having to go on the airplane, having everything put into a kit that I can just take with me is something that is helpful for me when I go to a retreat. The second thing is I have quite a few projects that I want to work on this month, so I know that I'm going to be able to dig into a bigger kit. And then the third reason is part of this is a brand new collection that just came out, and because I wanted to play with it, I wanted to mix it in with some older things from my stash. But I'm super excited about this particular collection, so it is all in here because I want to play. So let me go ahead and show you what I have put in here. You can see already this is a pretty bright, fun kit. So let me move all of that, and we will start with the paper. So I have just a little bit of box of crayons left. And so I will say where I started with this kit is when I was working with my last month's kit, I pulled out these scraps from the Fancy Pants On Our Way collection. And so this is actually where my kit started, because I used just a tiny piece of these two patterns, and I was like, oh, I want to play with that some more. That's super, super fun. So I started with this plaid being where my kit was designed from. So you're going to see a lot of these colors, or you're going to see it go off in a little bit of a different direction based on the colors that are in this paper. So these scraps are where the kit itself started from. And then I have just a little bit of box of crayons left. So I went through what I have, and I pulled out, I think I have 5 papers that I feel like would really go with this particular color scheme. So this one is just a cloud background, and then it's got some rainbows on the other side. This one is called In the Sky. But I was thinking the blues would kind of play off of these really bright colors really well. And then I have the camera paper called Snapshot, and it has green on the back. But if you notice, a lot of these colors are represented really well in the cameras that are on here. So these are probably going to get fussy cut and used throughout the different layouts for this particular kit. This one is called Cut Here, and it's just the kind of faded out circles and then the scissors on the back. And I was also thinking that this was a pretty good match. Not all of it, but a lot of it would be a pretty good match for this. And so I was thinking this would make some really cute scallops or some circular embellishment cluster details. So that one made the cut. And then I grabbed this one, which is called That's the Spirit. That is just kind of this really great turquoise background with a pink, like an ombre pink, almost floral on the front. And then some sprinkles on the back, and either one of these would coordinate really well. And I really liked how this went with the turquoise or the teal that was in that plaid, but it gives you a different feel. So this is not nearly like as, oh, I don't know, like fun and whimsical as these. This I could use with a black photo mat and a little bit more fancy picture, so it gives me some variety to my kit. And then I felt like this one called In the Frame was also really great because it gave me a lot of pieces I could cut out, and they all pretty well match this color scheme. And then it has this kind of pinkish and red on the back. And then there was one other one. This one is this bright blue, which is what I pulled it out for, is because this is a really good match to the blue in that collection. And the other side is the border cut apart. It's called All the Things, but I am planning on using this really bright, fun blue background. So you can kind of see those are all the ones I pulled from box of crayons, and they all coordinate with these really bright, fun colors really well. So then after that, I went ahead and grabbed 2 rainbow papers that I've had in my stash for a while. They have the same types of colors that are going to be a really great match for the stuff that I have already pulled out, but they're a little bit more subtle patterns. So here I have some really bold patterns. These are going to give me something a little more subtle, so I can use these more as a background to build off of. So this one is called True Blue, and this one is called Ruby Red, and those are from Lawn Fawn's Really Rainbow, which was a really gorgeous release. All right, I've also grabbed the On Our Way collection kit. So this is all of the paper that came from that same collection that my original inspiration was. So I'm not going to open it up for you, but it does have all of the kind of travel themed pattern paper in here. So we're definitely going to be doing some travel layouts. I did grab a Wanderlust cut file so that I have that already in my kit since I'm going to be taking this to a retreat if I want to back that with some pattern paper. And then the one that I am super excited about is I have grabbed the brand new Pink Fresh Out and About collection. And so this is the pattern paper pack. So there are 16 sheets in here. I definitely won't use all of this month, but I do want to play with this new collection because I really, really like it. And the colors coordinate pretty well. These have a little bit of a darker tone to them. So it's going to let me pull in some different variety, maybe some more masculine. But some of these turquoise colors are a good match. Kind of the yellows and oranges are a good match. So I think I will be able to pull things in to coordinate with this and create a little bit more masculine feel. So that's kind of where I started with the paper. I also grabbed the 6x6 paper pads for On Our Way and then the new Out and About. So that's going to give me things for like backing cut files and making mats on my photos. So like I said, guys, this is a really big kit. There's a lot of stuff in here this month, but hopefully, since I'm going to a retreat, I can make a lot of layouts and have a lot of things to show you guys with this particular kit. All right, I have also grabbed a few stamp sets. So we'll go with those next. I think this is all of them. A few different stamp sets that are all travel related. I am definitely a collector of all things travel. So every time companies put out travel releases, I end up buying bits and pieces and certain things. So I am going to put these all in there because I know that I will use them. This one is the one that from Fancy Pants for the On Our Way collection. So it's got some really great words and some tags, some little icons. This one is called Let's Go and it's from Ellie's Studio. Same type of thing, some little journaling spots and words and icons. This one's from Allie Edwards. It just has her script in some bigger words, so I can use these for some title, mixing of titles and things. I pulled a tall alpha, and this is from Altenew, because these really tall, thin alphas just remind me of travel for some reason. I'm not really sure why that is. Maybe it's like the little destination luggage tags or something, but I thought that would be a good addition. And then I also have this one from Studio Calico that has a tag stamp where you can do all kinds of different toppers for it. And then it has a lot of words like Let's Wander, New Adventures, Everyday Magic, some little geotags. So I thought this would also be really cute to play around with. So all of my kind of travel related stamps. And I have grabbed some library card inserts for some journaling if I want to use those. All right, on to the alphabets and the embellishments. I have grabbed 3 kind of rainbow alphas, and then I will probably also put a black alpha in here, which I don't have put in here right now. This is the one that goes with On Our Way. It's the little circles. This one is the bright colored alpha from Box of Crayons. And then I also pulled in the brand new mini puffy sticker alphas from Joyful Day. This one's also from Pink Fresh. But these are a really good match for these collections too. And I love the smaller size. And then like I said, I am likely going to go back and pull in just like a block black font to go with this kit. Because I tend to, when there's a lot of really bright colors, I want to have some black and white elements to kind of break it up and give it some more, I don't know, like a graphic look almost. All right, I have grabbed some sequins and some black and white enamel dots. These are from Close to My Heart. 3 mixes of sequins for now from Spiegel Mom Scraps. So I've got Southern Bluebell that's kind of got the blues and silvers. I have Funky New Year. And the reason I am putting this one in there, it's black and white and silver, but the black ones are like a really cool matte sequin. And they don't have holes in the middle. So those will work kind of as more different varieties of enamel dots. And then I have this one that's called Hexa Frost. That's got some little hexagons and flowers and that really great teal turquoise color. All right, we have from Box of Crayons. Oh, one more. Tropical Teals. that has a little bit of the orange and the green and the teal in there too. Okay, that's all of them. From Box of Crayons. Most of this is just leftovers. So I have a little bit left of the ephemera for this collection. So I just grabbed the entire thing. I have the puffy stickers from Box of Crayons. I pulled in a couple of the sticker sheets just for some phrases and some layering pieces. And then I have the enamel dots with the glitter and the little glitter shakers because I thought those would be really fun. So this is really just going to be a really bright, fun kit this month. From Bella Boulevard, I grabbed the word salad sticker book. And these are just words and phrases in all of the Bella Boulevard colors. So you can kind of see them back here, all the different colors that these words and phrases come in. I have not used this yet, but I have been dying to, and it matches perfectly with all the color options that I have in this kit. And so I think it'll be really fun to include a bunch of these. And then I have some flare badges. These are from the Crafty Pocket, and these are all kind of travel related words. They all match the colors. So things like adventure, roam, on the go, escape, discover, travel, explore, and wander. And those I think are a really good match for what we've got going on too. Definitely gonna need some more black and white in here, guys. That is what I am finding out as I pull it all together. All right, so these two are from On Our Way, that collection I started with from Fancy Pants. So this one's got flare badges and buttons. And then this one is tags and labels and all kinds of little pieces that I can layer in and add on to things. So I'm excited about that one. And then I have grabbed all of the embellishments that I got that came with the new Out and About collection. And so you can see these are still the bright, fun colors. They're a little bit darker, a little bit more masculine, which I really like because I have a lot of boy pictures. So I've got the puffy stickers, and this is going to be really hard to break into, you guys, because this is brand new and I love it so much. That's part of the reason I had to put it in this kit, is so that I can force myself to use it, and you guys can get me to use it. This is the mixed embellishment pack. So we've got epoxy circles, we have some enamel dots, and then we have some 3D embellishments on the bottom. The ephemera pack, which is 45 pieces, and this has all kinds of phrases and travel tickets and circles and icons and words. It's going to be awesome. These are the stitched frames, which I actually really like from this particular collection because they have all kinds of really fun details on them. So like getaway, around town, wander, let's be adventurous, a little map that says tourist mode. So those are going to be really fun. I have the cardstock stickers. So just more things that I can use to kind of embellish and add little details. And I still think this is a good match with this particular collection. I can bring out some of the other colors like the greens and the oranges, the yellows with this particular set. And then I also have the travel tags, which is more tags and labels and travel-y things. Because when I do travel pages, I usually tend to include a lot of tags and labels and really make it seem like authentically travel. So that is the gigantic kit that I have put together for the month of March. And I cannot wait to show you what I create. And so I will be back to see you guys very soon. Bye.